to say? All right, I'm going to sentence you to 30 years in the prison following your agreement. Taking consideration the following cause numbers. 2020 CR 6547. 9473. Court is calling 2022 CR 2676, State of Texas versus Michael Hinojosa. Can I have parties approach and announce for the record for the state,
Marcus Sanders.
for the defense?
Montgomery for the defendant.
And Judge, I guess we're gonna ask if we could have a short reset to Thursday for sentencing.
All right, this isn't filled out properly.
I'm not hearing something correct, Judge.
All right. So he signed his waiver of appeal.
Yes. Oh.
And you
I should have
scratched
checked
through it.
both boxes.
Well, I always tell people, don't check both boxes, just sign them both. So state, can you grab another trial court certification? And if you all will fill that out.
Yes, ma'am. I'll do that during the course of the plea.
All right, are you Mr. Hinojosa? All right, defense, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Hinojosa, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We waive the reading of the indictment, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge. On both paragraphs and the enhancement.
All right, Mr. Hinojosa, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand you're charged with murder? That's a first-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to 10. All right, thank you.
5 to 99 years.
All right. Did you understand the range of punishment for that offense is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to $10,000 fine? Just a moment. Excuse me, can you move Mr. Hayek and his client to the back row?
And to be sure, Judge, I'm probably getting there, but this is.
I am. Yes, I'm getting that. Thank you, Mr. Montgomery. All right, did you understand that that is the normal range of punishment for murder? All right, because the state is pleading on a repeat offender enhancement allegation, if that is proven, then your range of punishment will be a minimum of 15 years and up to life in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call on the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you are giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, sir.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Hinojosa, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea bargain agreement, you are to agree that you've been previously convicted of 1 or 2 or more felonies for enhancement. The plea is for 30 years in the prison. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. There are no applications. The state will take in consideration the following cause numbers: 2020 CR 6547, 2020 CR 9473, 2020 CR 7801, 2020 CR 1784, and the following county court cause numbers: 638, 053, 054, 055, and 052. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement? Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Judge.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
None.
Then to the offense is charged in the indictment. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
Your Honor, the state offers states exhibit 1 and its attachments. I realize I forgot.
The page that's being added supports the plea of true to the enhancement paragraph. Please, no objection.
All right. So state, the defendant has pled guilty. Do you have any evidence to support his plea?
Yes, the state offers states exhibit 1 and its attachments.
Any objections?
None, Your Honor.
Mr. Hinojosa, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call on the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? Right. Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. To the repeat offender enhancement allegation, which reads, and it is further presented in and to said court that before the commission of the offense alleged above on the 28th day of May AD 2013 and cause number 2011 CR 2286 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant was convicted of the felony of possession with intent to deliver a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams. How do you plead? True or not true?
True.
All right, court will review states exhibits 1 and attachments. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence and to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. The court will find the enhancement true based upon your plea or true and based upon states exhibits 1 and attachments. State, are you ready to proceed with sentencing?
No, Judge, we're asking for a short recess so that we can have our victims here for victim impact.
All right, and can that be done this week?
Yes, Judge.
That you could proceed to sentencing if you wanted to and reschedule the victim impact statement.
That is an option.
Doesn't matter to me either way, Your Honor, but
State,
it seems like it would be the flow of this particular plea colloquy.
Judge, that is fine with us also.
all right. And when will you have your
We're asking for Thursday.
Thursday? All right. So it's Ferguson, he's gonna come back on Thursday just for victim impact. All right. Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just we're asking you to follow the terms of the plea agreement. We believe that it's fair and equitable settlement with the state.
All right, Mr. Hinojosa, is there anything you wish to say? All right, I'm gonna sentence you to 30 years in the prison following your agreement. Taking consideration the following cause numbers: 2020 CR 6547, 9473, 7801 1784. And the following county court cause numbers: 638 053 054 055 and 052. Court will give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
Nothing from defense, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Hinojosa, he needs to sign.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand, Mr. Montgomery?
Yes, ma'am.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Mr. Hinojosa, good luck to you. You're gonna have to do better, okay? All right, so here's my question for you. I always ask this, and people think I don't like tattoos. I just always have questions. So did the skull tattoo hurt? Very painful. Okay. All right, they're gonna take you back, and we're gonna be back on Thursday at 9 a.m. And Mr. Montgomery, if you can be back here Thursday at 9, we'll do victim impact. All right, thank you.